Welcome to the EFLstar.com Advanced Vocabulary Tutorial, Lesson A, Part 5. Antique. Any work of art, piece of furniture, decorative object, or the like, created or produced in a former period. Antiseptic. Free from or cleaned of germs and other microorganisms. Antithetic, directly opposed or contrasted, opposite. Antitoxin, a substance that counteracts a specific toxin. Antonym, a word opposite in meaning to another. Anxious, full of mental distress or uneasiness because of fear of danger or misfortune. Eager. Apartheid, any system or practice that separates people according to race, caste, etc. Apathy, lack of interest in or concern for things that others find moving or exciting, a lack of emotion of any kind. Aperture, an opening, as a hole, slit, crack, gap, etc., an opening that limits the quantity of light. Apex, the tip, point, or vertex, summit, peak. Aphorism, a terse saying embodying a general truth or astute observation. Apiary, a place in which a colony or colonies of bees are kept. Aplomb, imperturbable self-possession, poise, or assurance. Apogee, the highest or most distant point. Apostasy, a total desertion of or departure from one's religion, principles, party, cause, etc. Apostate, one who abandons long-held religious or political convictions. Apothecary, a druggist, a pharmacist. Apotheosis, describing a person as a god, deification. Appall, to fill or overcome with horror, consternation or fear, dismay. Apparent, readily seen, exposed to sight, open to view, visible, capable of being easily perceived or understood, plain or clear, obvious. Apparition, a supernatural appearance of a person or thing, especially a ghost, a spectrum or phantom, wraith, a ghostly apparition at midnight. Appease, to bring to a state of peace, quiet, ease, calm, or contentment. Pacify, soothe. Appellate, of or pertaining to appeals, having the power or authority to review and decide appeals. Appellation, a name, title, or designation. Append, to add as a supplement, accessory, or appendix. Subjoin. Appertain, to belong as a part, right, possession, attribute, etc. Apposite, suitable, well adapted, pertinent, relevant. Apposition, the act of placing together or bringing into proximity. Appraise, to estimate the nature, quality, importance, or monetary value of something. Appreciable, sufficient to be readily perceived or estimated, considerable. Apprehend, to take into custody, arrest by legal warrant or authority, to understand. Apprehensible, capable of being understood. Apprehensive, uneasy or fearful about something that might happen. Apprise, to give notice, inform, advise. Approbation, approval, commendation, sanction. Apropos, appropriate to the situation, fitting, at the right time, to the purpose. Apt, suited to the purpose or occasion, inclined, prone, appropriate. Aqueduct, a conduit or artificial channel for conducting water from a distance, usually by means of gravity. Aqueous, of, like, or containing water, watery. Arabesque, a complex or ornate design. Arbiter, a person empowered to decide matters at issue. Judge, a person who has the sole or absolute power of judging. Arbitrary, decided by a judge or arbiter rather than by a law or statute, having unlimited power. Arbitrate, to settle a dispute by judicial methods. Arbitration, the application of judicial methods to the settlement of disputes. Arbor, a leafy, shady recess formed by tree branches, shrubs, latticework, etc. Arboreal, pertaining to trees, tree-like. Arboretum, a plot of land on which many different trees or shrubs are grown for study or display.